Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make a basketball game. So let's make it. So first things first, we'll delete the scratch cards. I will like to upload Sprite. I'll pick my costume here. So here I have an Among Us character here. You can see. Here you go. So we'll name this sprite player. Go to code. We'll put when green file clicked, we will go to X, 0, Y, -100. So 0. I'll change the size to 200, make it bigger. I would like the Y to be -130. There you go. So yeah. So forever, we'll make a variable. We'll call it Y. For this Y only. At the very first, we'll set Y to 0. And then here we'll change Y by -1 and put here if key right arrow press, we will change X by, let's say, 6. And then we'll duplicate it, we'll pick left arrow, change X by -6, put there, and then we will change Y by Y, and then here we'll put an if less than sign, if Y position is less than -130, we will set Y to -130, and then we will set the variable Y to 0. So now we have a falling Among Us character. So wait. Okay, there. And then I would like to add an if operators and here an equal sign, and then we'll put in here key up arrow press, and here we'll put in Y position is equal to -130. We will set Y to, let's say, 20, maybe 15, 13. Okay, let's try it. Okay, and there you go, we have it. It's a little laggy, but that's okay. So now we have a jumping Among Us character. Okay. Maybe I would like to put in here another one. because it's so laggy. Put it here, and then put forever loop. Oh, that's a lag. Maybe we'll put it back. So put that in there, this in, and put it back. So now there's no lag. We can jump the Among Us character. So now we'll make the basketball. We'll choose a sprite. Wait. Okay. I'll pick this basketball here. There you go. And then we'll put here when green flag clicks. We will hide it, of course. And then here we'll put a forever loop. If he sprays pressed, we will go to here, and then you will show. We'll make another variable here. We'll call this one y2 for this byte only. At the very beginning, we'll set y to 0, and then here we will set y to, let's say, 20, and then we'll put in a repeat until less than sign, y position less than, let's try it, let's put it here. Okay, repeat until y position is -187. We will change y by -1. We will change y by y, and then here we will change x by 6, and then here we'll turn 6 degrees, and after that we will hide it again. Let's try that. Okay, jump, put the basketball, and there you go, we have it. I think I'll make it change x by 5, that would be better. And there you go. So now let's make the hoops. So we'll make a new sprite. And then you'll notice I'll have a red outline and 6, the width is 6. So we'll make a hoop like this. Yeah, a little bigger there. There you go. Okay, yeah. And then I will make another sprite, and then I'll make a white circle. I'll put it right here, so it's big, so let's say that big, and then this will call this one hoop, and then this we'll call it hoop center. So let's go to hoop. So here we'll put one green flag clicked forever. We will glide 1 second to X, pick random -200 to 200, and then Y will pick random to 0 to, let's say, 1. I'll pick 140. So you have it. There you go. It moves everywhere. So now we'll go to hoop center. You'll put one green flag clicked forever. We will go to hoop. So as you can see, I'll actually make it to go to, let's say, back layer. So as you can see, it goes to the center. Oh, I don't know why is that. What is that? At least you can see it. Okay, there. So now let's go to basketball. Inside the repeat until, we'll put an if. We'll make a variable. We'll call this one score, and then we'll call this one basket in for this byte only. Hide that one. So if key is pressed, we'll set basket in to no, and then if, we'll put in two ands. If touching hoop center and less than sign, and Y is less than 0 and equal sign, basket in equals no, we will change score by 1, then we will set basket in to yes, and then at the very start we will set score to 0. So let's test it out. Have a moving Among Us character, a little bit, and there you go, the score goes by 1. So thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Let's try that. There you go, 2.